Hello and welcome back to the channel. After a very long while we are finally back again, and after all winter we want to take off the Golf, give him a little shower, and later in the video I'm going to explain you all the rest what we are planning, because we want to make some huge changes this time. So stay tuned and see you later. So after we finish with the shower, we're gonna take care about the inside. The Golf was standing for all winter outside, so as you can imagine we have a lot of dirt, we have a lot of dust, we have a few things which need to be fixed, and this gonna be the content for the next videos. So stay tuned, let's continue and clean it out first of all.
Luckily, I'm not the owner of a professional detail shop, but yeah, it's a little bit more clean than it was before, at least.
Now after we took care about the inside, there are actually a couple of things which I really don't like and we need to repair, to fix, to do something about. So first of all, I am talking about the seat. The seat is getting worse over the years. Every time when you're sitting on it, it's breaking more, as you can see. There's nothing to fix anymore. There's not even enough material. As you can see, my finger already. So there's not even enough material to fix anything. Also, we have like this little rest of a glue where was previously a handy holder from the owner before. I really wish to remove this. The same as the mats, they need to come new for the feet over here, because this one is broken, this one is now pretty dirty and not looking nice anymore. So a few small things which I'm gonna do in the next video, the same as I'm talking about stickers. As you have realized or see, I have made stickers by myself, and a few of them I do not like this one. I do not want to carry this one anymore on the Golf. The same as my Germany-Poland flag, which is not the best quality, obviously. So I do want to change this for the better quality as well. And there was one mistake which I actually never realized until one day, it was today. This is from the Rally Monte Carlo 1980, start number 32. This was the Golf Mark 1, which was driving the Rally Monte Carlo. The problem is my Golf is from 1982, which makes it pretty much... which means it actually doesn't make sense. The same we have on the hood, so we have Rally Monte Carlo as well. I want to take off the Rally Monte Carlo topic. Instead of this, we will do something else. What we're gonna do, I will show you in the next video. The same as I'm gonna show you how do I make the stickers from A until Z, and we will put them together on the car and fix a few things on the Golf as well. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much, and I am happy to be back. See you in the next video. Bye. So stay tuned.